Hi dear children, when is the World Environmental Day? What do we do on Environmental Day? Yes, June 5th is the Environmental Day. During that day, we plant many trees. Last June 5th, last Environmental Day, do you plant trees? Yes, very good. You all are plant trees. Children, what message each environment day give us? Yes, we plant more trees and protect our environment. ശരിയല്ലേ? Yes, good. Children, today let us discuss your textbook. So all of you open your textbook. Do you see a notice board your textbook? Yes, it is a notice board of Haritha Club. Which school notice board is this? Yes, Palakundu UP school notice board. Then, what message is given to the notice board? All of you read the notice board. Children, look at the textbook. This is the notice board. June 5th, Environmental Day. Haritha Club distribute vegetable seeds to the members. Okay, Haritha Club distribute the vegetable seeds. How do they distribute the vegetable seed? Okay, look at the board. Children, they brought 10 packets of seeds. They brought 10 packets of seed. Each packet contain 100 seeds. Look, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 packets. One packet 100. Like this each packet contain 100 seeds. Look, 100. Children, total how many seeds they brought in all? Total how many seeds they brought in all? Then, first packet 100 seeds. Second packet again 100. 200s together 200. Then 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Yes, 1000. Total how many seeds are there? Yes, there are 1000 seeds in all together. The Haritha Club brought 1000 seeds. Okay, one packet 100 seeds. 100 tens are made 1000. Okay. Children, here the Haritha Club brought total how many seeds? Yes, total 1000 seeds. Then there are 100 members in that club. How many members are there? Yes, 100 members are there. Then these 1000 seeds they distribute among 100 of the members in that club. Then how many will each packet? Then how many seeds each packet? How do we find? Yes, children, here there are 1000 seeds are there. They distribute among 100 of members. Then how many hundreds are need to make 1000? എത്ര 100 കൂടുമ്പോഴാണ് 1000 ആകുന്നത്? Yes, 100 is 100. 200 are 200. 300, 300. Then 400 join together 400. 500 join together 500. 600s make 600. 700s make 700. 800s make 800. 900 make 900. Then 10 hundreds are made 1000. So how many seeds in each packet? Yes. How many seeds? 10. 10 hundreds are made 1000. So each participants get 10 seeds. Okay. So here write the answer 10. I explain once more. 100 tens are made 1000. 10 100 are 100 plus 100 plus 100 like this. 10 10 times means 10 into 100 is equal to 1000. 10 hundreds are made 1000. All of you understand? Okay. Children, look at your textbook. Let us help our friend. A friend in hospital. Each class decided to raise 1000 rupees. Details are given in the table. Fill the amount to be raised in the 4th day. Children, here a friend in a hospital 4th standard. Then they decided to raise the money. Look at the table. 4th day, the first day they collected 310 rupee, second day 490 rupee and third day 100 rupee. Then total amount. How do we find the total amount? Let us add these three numbers. 310, 490 plus 100. Just add these three numbers. When we add, we will get the answer 900 rupees. The 3 days together they collected 900 rupees. Then what about 4th B? The 4th B is collected the money. First day 400 rupees. Second day 490 rupees. Third day 100 rupees. Let us add this also. 400 plus 490 plus 100. Yes, 990 rupees. These 3 days together they collected 990 rupees. Okay. Children, what about the 4th C? They collected first day 410 rupee. First day 410 rupee. Second day 290 rupee. Third day 250 rupee. Then total. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. What is the answer? Yes. The 4th C class is collected. The amount 950. Then, what about 4th D class? Yes, 410 plus 490 plus 99. Yes, 999 rupees. Okay, so the amount collected in 3 days together. Total they need 1000 rupees. Total how much rupees they need? Total each class need 1000 rupees. This for 4th A need 1000 rupees. 4th B need 1000 rupees. But here only this much amount they collected with these 3 days. Then how much amount need to 4th day? How much amount they need in 4th day? Total they need 1000 rupee. Total they need 1000 rupee. So first day, how much more need to make 1000? So here they need 1000. ഇപ്പൊ എത്ര രൂപ ആയി? 900. ഇതിന്റെ കൂടെ എത്ര കൂടി ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് 1000 കിട്ടുന്നേ? How do we find? Let us subtract 1000 from 900. So we get the answer 100. So how much more amount need? Yes, 100. 4th day they need 100 rupees. The same way 4th B 990 rupees. They need altogether 1000 rupees. Yes, 990 നോട് എന്ത് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് 1000 കിട്ടുന്നേ? If you don't know, just subtract like this. The amount is 10 rupees. So 4th day they need 10 rupee. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് 4th day 10 rupee എന്ന് പറയാൻ കാരണം? Yes, total each class need 1000 rupees. That's why. Okay. Next, class 4th C 950 rupees. 950 rupees they collected. Total they need 1000 rupees. How much amount need more? Yes, 50 rupees more. Next 4th D class. They collected 999 rupees. How much need to make 1000? Yes, 1 rupee. So each class 4th day they collected like this 100, 10, 50, 1. Okay. Children, now all the four classes collected 1000 rupees each. Fourth A 1000, fourth B 1000, fourth C 1000, fourth D 1000. These all the monies together our class leaders hand over to the headmaster. Okay. Now let us look your textbook once more. Next, let us find the total amount. How much did fourth A and fourth B give? Children, here fourth A 1000 rupee. Fourth B 1000 rupee. Fourth A 1000 rupee and fourth B 1000 rupee. Then how much they give in all? There is 2000s together 2000 rupee. How much they give? 2000 rupee. All of you understand? Children, next fourth C class and fourth D class. Fourth C class 1000 rupee. Fourth D class also 1000 rupee. What is the total amount they collected together? Fourth C and fourth D. Yes, 2000s together 2000. Okay. Then, what about these four class together? Total amount they collected in this four class together. ഈ നാല് ക്ലാസ്സും കൂടെ മൊത്തം എത്ര രൂപ കളക്ട് ചെയ്തു? Yes, fourth A 1000 rupee, fourth B 1000 rupee, fourth D 1000, like this. All four classes 1000 rupee each. 1000 plus 1000, 2000. 2000 plus 1000, 3000. 3000 plus 1000. Yes, they all to be collected 4000 rupees. Okay, these four classes all together they collected 4000 rupees.